Yo, it's a box inside another box and it was heavy. Let me get on this and open that box. Okay, I got that box out. Now we're gonna split this one open and see what is in it. The suspense is killing me. I've gotta see what the nail techs are getting. It said 200 pieces, so this would be for the VIPs. Oh my Lord. Don't tell me it's another box inside. No, okay. Oh, hallelujah. Let's see what Mia's Secret sent. Oh my gosh, bear with me. I'm sweating. Oh, look. Okay, all right, good deal. Let me see, got to put on the glasses here so I can read and tell y'all what this is. Mia's Secret Bio Builder Gel Cover Nude. All right, let's see if that'll focus. That's what, 200 of these from Mia's Secret. So, nail techs, whew, it's rough when you get old. Okay, if you've got a VIP ticket to the nail tech event of the Smokies, you will have one of these inside your VIP swag bag. Come Saturday, July 12th, between noon and 4, you can do early check-in. Get on nailtechevent.com. It's listed right there in the FAQs. Just scroll down to the bottom page. It'll tell you all about it. I think it's in the first 1 to 5 FAQs. It'll tell you what the early check-in is and how to do it, and then this way you can get your swag one day in advance of the trade show, so that way if you like what you've got, you can test it out at your hotel or your cabin or whatever you're staying at in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Then the next day, show up at the show, you'll already have your wristband, you just stand in the line when the show doors open at 9 o'clock, you go right in, and if you like what the Mia's Secret had sent, you can just run right to their booth and buy more of it while it lasts, because they're only bringing limited amount of supplies. Cost big time money to ship pallets of product. So you want to have your list done ahead of time. Get there, test it out. Thank you, Mia's Secret. I appreciate it greatly. Peace out, nail techs.